Yeah, man, I think that's
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Belize.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm having a very special guest today. Hey, what's your name?
Kari, aka Donde Es Papi.
Don
aka
S5, yeah.
AKA the only one major on Instagram, Donde Es Papi on YouTube.
Yeah. He's one of my best friend, and I knew him through radio. You know, the guy I stayed at his place. We did a video just like a month ago, or maybe even 3 weeks ago. Yeah, depending on the time you're watching this video. So we actually here in Belize. He drove all the way from Mexico to Belize because we want to go out and just spend this like weekend here. It's Friday night. We're gonna spend Friday night here and tomorrow night. Then tomorrow morning we'll be going back to Mexico.
Yes.
So man, let's go and see.
We're about to have a good night.
Yeah, we're going
Stay
to a club. They have recommended it. It's called Sit and Sip.
Yep.
You sit down and you sip. Okay, let's go, man. Let's see what's.
All right.
Yeah. Checking some directions.
Yeah, I'm just typing it in. No, that's not it. I found it earlier.
Yeah.
This is it. Sit and sip.
Sit and sip. Yeah.
Let me try Waze, because you know.
Oh.
Pro
yeah.
tip: Waze is much better internationally.
Always. But you know, I have enough internet to use my phone.
I got it.
Okay. Like 6 minutes from here.
No, we'll be there in no time.
So let's go see, man.
Actually, I just drove all the way. I'll turn this off on the drive.
Man.
I just drove all the way from Cancun.
Yeah, hey man, you're a real G. Yeah.
It was about what,
7 hours by himself, man. Yeah, man, you know, when you told me you're coming, I didn't believe it. I was like, man, no.
Yeah, I had to, because the last time, like you said, in Colombia we met, because I was watching his videos. I had been going to Colombia before I found your videos, but
this light is making the video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's much better.
So I had been to Colombia like before I found your videos, but then when I got back home, I would still look stuff up, you know, and then I found your videos, and then me and my friend Radio, who you just mentioned, we both went out there and met you in person, you know.
Yeah.
And then from there, you know, we both go back to the States, home, and you go to Kenya. And
keep traveling.
But I was in the.
Oh, let's see. Yeah,
I was in the.
I wanna film some.
Yeah. Maybe too little.
It's too little.
I don't know. Let's see. It might be. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Wow, it's good, right?
we're celebrating the life of one of Thursday Thursday baddest bartender. Walter. Freelance. Have you ever been to jail? Think of the people who know say them never ever again. So we're not going to jail again. Trouble. Hey.
So guys, we're in a club called Thursday, and we're in a region called, man, I'm like confused.
Family looking at one. September 20th, the artist, right? Let me talk about. Remember?
When she gives it to the mouth, she head in. So she back up, she dancing.
So that's the guy with like the boss, you know? Yeah, and Berlin.
Brand because of it. They're from the
no time we stop.
Some man can't get girls. So this is what they do.
It's like outside of Bogota. It's like 45 minutes.
Alright. If you're driving a green Ford vehicle, license plate 58497, they're gonna tow your vehicle. You're at the back, you're blocking. Please move your vehicle. 58497, a green Ford something. Ford what? Sportstra? Something like that. Please move it. They wanna move. Just please. Running our system. We got one up on our when I talk about Project X, it one more. We're driving still. Yeah, baby. We're driving still. Beat powder and water. I want to big up all my single ladies inside Thursday tonight.
Sorry. Guys, that was the end of the video, and we're ending it here with Bakari. Man, what do you think about Belize nightlife?
After night one, I can say they're definitely lit.
Yeah.
It's very
It's
vibrant.
a potential place, right?
Yeah. They know how to party. The girls they like to dance. So
and they
dance.
come really like shining, like they know how to dress.
Yeah,
and
they
everything.
dress good, and they are aggressive a little
Yeah,
bit. With their dance, they love.
Yeah, they're very aggressive. Yeah, it's true, man.
Definitely a lot of influence from
Jamaica,
and even Africa.
Yeah, it's a mix of Caribbean,
yeah,
and also Latin. Like
yeah,
there
Latin,
are
for sure.
three influences. Jamaica is the main, Africa, then
A little
Latin-
U.S. because they speak the language.
Yeah,
So they
little,
they played all the Drake, the
the
new
Drake,
stuff.
yeah,
At the
it's,
club, and
yeah.
you guys are gonna see the footage, man.
Yeah.
I mean, shit. The girls are
yeah,
stupid beautiful out here.
yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a place where if you give yourself like a week, you can hunt down something good.
Yeah.
You know, like
yeah.
you can.
Yeah.
We are very new here, man. We are very new here, so even everything, it's for us, it's like new.
Yeah.
And let's give a shout out to the guys we met today, our subscriber.
Yeah. On the beach.
ICOT, ICOT, man. Thank you for meeting
Good
us
combo,
today.
man. Good combo.
Yeah,
Nice.
with your wife too, man. Everybody, we say thank you,
Yeah.
and bye bye, guys. And we ending the video right there.
All
Yeah.
right.
Ciao, ciao.
We
Yeah,
still
check his Instagram, and if you have some questions, he can help
Yeah, I've
you.
been I've been a lot of places. I'm working on doing some more videos, so you
Yeah,
guys can see
yeah,
this
yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
I got
yeah.
a lot of footage that I keep to myself.
This guy, can I say you're lazy? Can I say you're lazy?
Yeah. I'm
You
so
sh-
lazy.
You should, man.
I'm so lazy.
Release the videos. Yeah,
Yeah.
guys. So bye and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.
You see.